Hello friends, today I'm going to share protein-rich diet recipe. Tawa fish fry with less oil will be perfect tender and super delicious as a meal alone. Or you can pair with rice, roti, etc. As you know, fish is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids and lean protein. It's going to be even more amazing when you pair with veggies to cover your greens. This way veggies add up nutrition and more filling too. If you notice, the protein for each fish is around 21 grams and just 110 calories. That's so amazing. Let's get started. I'm going to use 2 frozen tilapia fillets for this recipe. You can use any fish of your choice. First, let's thaw the fillets by leaving them at room temperature for around 20 to 30 minutes. While fillets get softened, let's prepare the marination mix. In a mixing bowl, add half a teaspoon ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon cumin powder, around quarter teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon garam masala powder, half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon fish masala powder, or you can use half a teaspoon garam masala and little chili powder. Squeeze half lime, or you can use 1 teaspoon lime juice. Mix all spices once. Instead of oil, I'm going to crack 1 egg. Egg helps as binding agent plus adds extra protein. Whisk egg well with spices and keep it aside. Once fish gets softened, remove the polythene. Wash the fillets well. Pat dry in paper towel. And now chop into medium-sized slices. Then coat fish slices to marinate well. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes to absorb all flavors. Now heat a pan and add 2 teaspoon oil. We don't need a lot of oil. Add few fenugreek leaves to enhance the taste. Once leaves are sauteed well, add quarter cup onion. Add quarter teaspoon salt. Mix once and add little turmeric. Add quarter teaspoon ginger garlic paste. For the greens, I'm going to add quarter cup bell pepper. Add slight tanginess and pairs nicely with fish. If not, you can add tomato instead. Once onions and bell peppers are half done, add marinated fish slices. Add quarter teaspoon chili powder and quarter teaspoon coriander powder. Flip the fish pieces gently to other side. Once fish is sauteed, you can see the difference in color. Fry until fish is cooked well and garnish with coriander at the end. Serve hot and enjoy this fish fry as a snack alone or side dish with rice, roti, etc. Hope you like my healthy and tasty option for your diet. See you again with many more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching.